Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not responding. All right, let's begin. First, locate the Rockstar Games Launcher on your computer. Right-click on it, then click on Properties. From there, choose Open File Location. Find the launcher application, right-click it, select Properties again, and go to the Compatibility tab. Enable these options. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, and then OK. If the issue continues, open Windows Security by searching for Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings, then scroll down to Exclusions, and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Add the Rockstar Games folder from your C drive, usually located in Program Files. If the problem still persists, open your Documents folder, locate the Rockstar Games folder, and delete it to reset configurations. So that's basically how you can fix Rockstar Games Launcher not responding. That's it for this video. Thanks.